Hydrogen sits atop group 1 but is not a member of that group. It is in a class of its own. Hydrogen is a colorless, odorless gas at room temperature. It has 1 proton and 1 electron in its one and only energy level. Hydrogen's outer shell can only hold 2 valence electrons. The alkali metals are located in the first row on the periodic table to the far left. Atoms of the alkali metals have a single electron in their outermost level, meaning they only have 1 valence electron. They are shiny, have the consistency of clay, and are easily cut with a knife. These are the most reactive elements, reacting violently with water and air. You cannot find these elements in nature. They are always bonded to another element. The alkali earth metals are located in the second column of the periodic table. They have 2 valence electrons, and are never found uncombined in nature due to their high reactivity. The transition metals are found in groups 3-12 on the periodic table. These are the metals you are probably most familiar: copper, tin, zinc, iron, nickel, gold, and silver. They are good conductors of heat and electricity. The compounds of transition metals are usually brightly colored and are often used to color paints. Transition elements have 1 or 2 valence electrons, which they lose when they form bonds with other atoms. One characteristic is their high boiling and melting point. These elements are transition because they do not fit in with any of the other categories. The 30 rare earth elements are composed of the lanthanide and actinide series. One element of the lanthanide series and most of the elements in the actinide series are called transuranium, which means synthetic or man-made. Most of these elements are only together for a split second before breaking up. The boron family is named after the first element in the family. Atoms in this family have 3 valence electrons. This family includes a metalloid, and the rest are metals. This family includes the most abundant metal in the Earth's crust. The next group is the carbon group and is in column 14. That makes it have 4 valence electrons. It includes metals, metalloids, and metalloids, so it has a wide range of characteristics. The main element, carbon, also is called the basis of life because of its importance to our lives. The nitrogen group is next, and they have 5 valence electrons. They occupy column 15 and usually share electrons when bonding. Fun fact, nitrogen makes up 78% of our atmosphere. The nitrogen group is next, and they have 5 valence electrons. They occupy column 15 and usually share electrons when bonding. Fun fact, nitrogen makes up 78% of our atmosphere. The oxygen family has 6 valence electrons, and they usually share electrons when combining. Another fun fact, oxygen is most abundant element in Earth's crust, and all animals need it to live. The halogens have 7 valence electrons. They are mostly nonmetals, and are the most reactive family on the periodic table, due to the fact they need only 1 more valence electron to form a full outer shell. The noble gases have full valence electron shells. This makes the most unreactive family on the periodic table. Due to this, they are often called inert and inactive. The final fun fact is that all noble gases exist in the Earth's atmosphere. Thanks for watching and learning from the master. Now I must return to my wires and software.